Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a holiday gift guide for all of the men in your life, whether it's a brother, a dad, a boyfriend, whoever it may be. You will be able to find something on here for them. This list isn't super long, but I'm very confident that there's something on here that will work, and there's lots of different price ranges as well. So I got my boyfriend's help with this a little bit. He gave me some suggestions, and then I also just used like ideas that I've gotten him over the years that would work for a variety of people. So if you're struggling for a gift, definitely keep on watching. I will be doing a part 2 of this where I talk about gifts for all the women in your life. So if you're needing help with that as well, stay tuned. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and also give this video a thumbs up so I know you like this kind of video, and that video will definitely be up shortly after this one. I know men can definitely be a little harder to buy for during the holidays because they're a little bit more foreign to us. We don't really know what they like. So really hope this video helps you, and we're just gonna get right into the list. First thing I have on the list is shoes. So whether that is just a nice pair of running shoes, a fancier pair of shoes, or also custom Air Force Ones. Those are like super in right now. I've seen quite a few people wearing them. I know that's something my boyfriend wants. This is a gift that can be for both guys and girls. Like, it's not limited. I think they're just really nice. Air Forces are just a popular shoe in general, and then to have custom ones make them a little bit different, I think that's awesome. Next, number 2 is sweats or joggers or even jeans, pants in general. You can never have enough pants. Obviously, for this you do need to know their size, but I think definitely with sweats or joggers, like, I find guys aren't usually picky. I feel like they're a little pickier about their jeans, but if you kind of know their sense of style, I feel like you definitely could pick up a good pair of sweats or joggers for them. Number 3 is hoodies. That is an obvious one too. I feel like guys wear hoodies a ton. Definitely my boyfriend, he's always wearing hoodies and always buying new ones. So you could buy a nice Nike hoodie, or even like a merch hoodie kind of thing would be nice. Video games. So if they do have a PlayStation or an Xbox, you can always buy them a game for it if there's something you know they like. And then along with that, PlayStation gift cards. So if you're kind of unsure about what kind of games they like, I'm sure they would definitely appreciate a gift card for their PlayStation. That way they can kind of pick out what they want to use it for. A new wallet. Men are very simple with their wallets. They don't change them out like we do or need multiple different ones. So I feel like they use one until it's like completely worn out. So I think they would always appreciate a new wallet. Next is wireless headphones. This can be like, if you really want to spoil them, like something like AirPods, or there's lots of like cheaper alternatives, but I feel like wireless headphones are a must nowadays. Like, I cannot live without wireless headphones, so I definitely think they would appreciate that kind of gift. And along with that, a Bluetooth speaker. Everybody loves a speaker, so I definitely think they would appreciate it. Next on the list, I have cologne. They love to smell good, and we love them smelling good. So a nice cologne. Some of my favorites that I've bought my boyfriend is 1 Million, Dior Sauvage. Those two are really, really good. But if you kind of know their scent, I mean, I feel like cologne is hard to go wrong with because a lot of them, they just smell really, really good. During the holidays, there's always really nice like gift sets that you can get them too. Like, I got my boyfriend one that had the cologne, an aftershave balm, and a deodorant all in the same scent. So really nice gift to give. PJ pants. They can never have enough. I mean, in general, you can never have enough PJ pants, so that's always a nice gift to give. It can be like just some nice, simple, cozy ones, or like sports related or anything like that. And then on that topic, anything sports related, really, like jerseys, signed things. If you know like some of their favorite players, you could get them like a lanyard of their favorite team. You could get them sports equipment. I know there's a website that my boyfriend's been obsessed with. I think it's called Pristine Auction. You can get so many signed things on there, like posters and pucks and stuff like that. So if they're like a collector, that would be a really nice option. Or if you're like unsure of what they would like, you can always get them a gift card for the Pristine Auction website, and they can pick something out themselves. But I think that's really nice, especially if you can pick something yourself, then I think they'll be like really impressed with that. Next, you can get them a duffel bag. I think that would be really useful, whether they go to the gym to work out, or they can use it as their work bag, or use it as like their bag if they're going skating, like carry equipment in it, whatever it may be. It'd be a really nice gift. Saxx. Men can never have enough underwear. I think Saxx are one of the most well-known brands, so I mean, it might be a little weird buying underwear, but like if you're giving a gift for a boyfriend, I think that would be really awesome. A car emergency kit. Everybody needs this. This is not just for men, but I feel like everyone needs an emergency kit. So like something that has jumper cables and like a first aid kit, like those kind of things. Everyone needs that. I feel like that's something that not a lot of men think about buying themselves, so they can always use that, and it's good to have in the car. Tools. I know they tend to be a little picky about like brands and stuff like that, but if you can kind of like dig it out of them a little bit, I think tools is awesome. They can be very expensive, so one less thing for like them to have to buy. There's a website called Best Canvas, and they make prints of album covers, I believe, so that's something too. If they're really into music, you could get them something from that site to like hang up. Along with that, you can get posters of their favorite artists, or you can also get merch from their favorite artists. That's something I know they would definitely love. Hair products. If they do like to style their hair, you can definitely pick up some good products for that. And then along with that, I said Jack Black products. So that is a brand that's sold at Sephora that is specifically catered towards men. They have like beard oil and aftershave balm and those kind of things. So if you're like looking for good skin products like that, that is one. And then along with that, like skincare in general, I feel like a lot of men skip out on the skincare. They feel like it's a girly thing, which is definitely not. Everybody needs to be taking care of their skin. So I feel like a brand like Jack Black would be good for that because it is specifically catered for men. I feel like they won't feel like as girly using it, knowing that this is a men's brand. You could get them a Apple like charging dock, so it's something that like holds their phone, their AirPods, their Apple Watch. If they have like a lot of Apple accessories, kind of keeps it all compact in one place. Socks. You can never have enough socks, so always can add on some socks as a gift. You can get them like a chain, so like a sterling silver or like a gold, just like a very simple chain. I know men don't like to wear a ton of jewelry, so that's something that's like simple but like still like manly. Get them a hat or like a beanie, a toque. I feel like they're always wearing them everywhere they go, so that's always something you could get them of like their favorite sports team, or just like simple like a Nike one or a Champs one or something like that. A nice jacket, whether that be like a winter jacket or more of like a fall jacket, something that's a little less, but like I feel like they could always use a nice quality jacket. A belt. If they wear jeans a lot, a belt is a necessity, and I feel like that's something that a lot of them neglect, so can never have enough belts. Workout equipment. If they like to do workouts at home, it's always really nice to have a variety of different like equipment, so you can get them like weights, or I don't know what they use, resistant bands, or you know, look it up, but like definitely workout equipment, because I know that can be a little expensive too. A nice watch. You could get like a traditional watch, just something really nice, like kind of fancy. Or if you really want to spoil them, you could get like an Apple Watch. But I feel like a nice watch in general is just a nice accessory for men to wear. A mini fridge for their room. I feel like they would love that. It gives like man cave vibes. They could keep their drinks in it, or like hide food in it if they're hiding it from the rest of the family, because that's what my boyfriend does. So could also get them like a safe. I feel like it's something that's always good to have. Like I have a little mini one as well. But yeah, something they can just keep like personal items in, or like money in, or anything like that. A bottle for protein shakes. I don't know what it's called. I'm gonna put a picture. But there is a specific like bottle that I see my boyfriend use all the time for his protein shakes. So I feel like that's something good to get. And then along with that, you could get them protein powder, because I know it's very expensive. So that's just something nice to add on. Car LED lights. That would be fun. I have them in my car, and honestly, they're really nice. They just like, they're such a vibe. They're fun. I feel like it's something that a guy would enjoy too. You could also get them like car accessories. So like, I don't know, just things they need in their car, or like cleaning stuff for it. And then the last thing I have on here is like a Fitbit / Apple Watch. I kind of touched on the Apple Watch already, but like another option, something a little bit less expensive but still techy, would be a Fitbit. If they are just really into like exercising, that's a way that they can like track their exercise, track their steps, but like not be as expensive as an Apple Watch. So that is everything for my gifts for him list. I really hope that this helped you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely stay tuned for part 2, where I talk about gifts for all the women in your life. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.